Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, preparing and cooking meals that leave you exhausted and frustrated? It's time to simplify your cooking routine and enjoy delicious, multi-textured meals in as little as 15 minutes. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is here to revolutionize the way you cook, offering a 1-0-in-1 solution that's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their meal prep and elevate their culinary game. In this review, we'll delve into the features and benefits of this remarkable kitchen appliance and discover how it can transform your daily cooking experience. A kitchen powerhouse, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a culinary marvel that unlocks the ability to prepare complete, multi-textured meals in as little as 15 minutes. With Ninja's rapid cooking system, you can simultaneously steam and air fry, allowing you to create restaurant-quality dishes right in the comfort of your own home. It's like having a professional chef at your disposal, ready to help you whip up a wide range of scrumptious meals. Ideal for families, with its generous 6-quart capacity, this kitchen appliance is the perfect companion for families of up to 4. Whether you're preparing a weeknight dinner or a weekend feast, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer has the space to accommodate your culinary ambitions. Say goodbye to the hassle of cooking in multiple pots and pans. This all-in-one solution makes meal prep a breeze. Speedy meals in minutes. The Speedi Meals function is a game changer. Imagine being able to create an entire meal in one pot, from the base to the protein, in just 15 minutes. With its 6-quart capacity, you can easily fit up to 4 chicken breasts and 1 pound of pasta, enabling you to prepare a wholesome family meal quickly and effortlessly. Say farewell to the monotony of meal planning. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is here to make your culinary dreams a reality. Unleash your culinary creativity. This versatile kitchen appliance offers multiple functionality options to cater to your cooking needs. You can choose from speedy meals, steam and crisp, steam and bake, or steam and rapid cooker mode. Unlock additional functions like air fry, bake, roast, air broil, sear and sauté, slow cook, and Sous Vide in air fry mode. Whether you want to whip up crispy snacks, tender roasts, or succulent slow-cooked dishes, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer has you covered. Plus, the proof and dehydrate function is available on 12-in-1 model, providing even more culinary possibilities. Rapid cooking system with smart switch functionality. One of the standout features of this kitchen appliance is the rapid cooking system with smart switch functionality. It allows you to introduce moisture into your cooking with steam while simultaneously achieving the caramelization and crisping that air fry technology provides. The result: restaurant-worthy meals that impress your family and guests. Plus, you can effortlessly switch between air fry mode and rapid cooker mode, offering endless culinary possibilities. Easy cleanup. No one enjoys scrubbing pots and pans after a hearty meal. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer simplifies cleanup with its non-stick pot and crisper tray, both of which are dishwasher safe. After enjoying your culinary creations, you can relax knowing that tidying up will be a breeze. What's included? The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer comes with a 6-quart non-stick cooking pot and a multifunctional crisper tray, ensuring you have everything you need to get started on your culinary adventures. In conclusion, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a kitchen powerhouse that simplifies meal preparation, accelerates cooking times, and elevates the flavors of your dishes. It's an ideal companion for families and culinary enthusiasts who appreciate both convenience and culinary creativity. Say goodbye to long hours in the kitchen and hello to speedy meals that delight your taste buds. Elevate your cooking experience with the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. It's time to cook smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.